forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel datmisehtv. Today we are back with another house hunting video. Today we are in the capital, Kingston, in the very upscale community of Cherry Gardens. Today we will be viewing a magnificent, luxurious 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom townhouse on 4 levels with built-in elevator. The complex consists of only 7 units with 24-hour security. The basement consists of a private swimming pool with jacuzzi, theatre room and further space for entertainment. The master bedroom is complemented with a grand walk-in closet. The unit also comes with helper's quarters and washroom. A visit to the roof will find large space for further entertaining with views of the mountains and harbour. Porcelain, tiles and quartz and granite countertops adds to the splendour of this 6,000 square foot townhouse. The cost of this unit is listed at $1.2 million US, which is equivalent to 180,734,000 Jamaican dollars. So as we come in through the front entrance of the property, to the right is the kitchen and to the left of the property is the living dining area. So let's have a look at the kitchen. And as you can see, there is an elevator that runs through all 4 floors of this property. Just off the living dining area, there is also a powder room. So the entrance is situated on the 3rd floor of the property, and on the 4th floor are 3 bedrooms, which we'll see now. You also have balcony access from the master bedroom. And a beautiful walk-in closet. That should be enough space. At the very top of the property, you have this extra space on the roof where you can have further entertaining. On the top of the roof, you have a further entertainment space and beautiful views of the mountains and the harbour. Now downstairs is an extra space here. This could be an extra entertainment room, it could be an extra bedroom also, but it also does come with a bathroom. So it can be anything you like. Now downstairs on this floor you have the washroom, and you also have an extra bedroom which is described as the helper's quarters. And then down in the basement we have the gorgeous swimming pool and jacuzzi. On the basement, you will also find an additional bathroom with shower. to the swimming pool, you also have a further area for entertainment where you can set up barbecues. We hope you've enjoyed this video today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. And until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.